Breathe Safe 360 project is being implemented by TB Alert India with the support of Stop TB partnership hosted by UNOPS. This project is being implemented in Andhra Pradesh with aim to improve lung health among workers and their families working in mining, stone crushing, cutting, and polishing industries and nearby communities. As part of the project intervention, regular health camps are conducted in the industries and communities in coordination with government health officials, mining department and front-line health staff. Workers in stone cutting, crushing, and polishing industries are exposed to high levels of dust and silica particles daily. These conditions make them highly vulnerable to chronic respiratory diseases and infections such as COPD, asthma, silicosis, and TB. Project staff, with the help of trained peer educators from the industry and community, conduct awareness sessions with workers, explaining the importance of lung health, hygiene, and early detection of diseases. Discussions focus on chronic respiratory diseases such as COPD and asthma, and communicable diseases like tuberculosis. Each worker is engaged in a one-on-one discussion, and their personal and occupational details are recorded into the project management information system for follow-up and monitoring. Workers showing symptoms or at risk are identified, including signs associated with tuberculosis and other lung conditions, using tools such as COPD assessment tool, CAT, and Modified Medical Research Council tool, MMRC. This ensures that high-risk individuals are prioritized screening and for further testing. Spirometry is performed as an upfront screening tool to assess lung function and detect abnormalities related to COPD and asthma. A trained technician explains the procedure, counsels the worker, and administers the test carefully. Along with spirometry, a chest X-ray is performed for every worker to rule out TB and other lung conditions, ensuring a comprehensive assessment as part of an integrated service delivery approach. Project staff will share the reports with the medical officer, and the medical officer reviews the spirometry reports and recommends treatment according to standard guidelines for COPD and asthma. Before starting treatment, spirometry is repeated after giving bronchodilators to assess reversibility of airway obstruction. Each worker is clinically evaluated, with complete medical history taken, and linked to appropriate treatment and care. Project staff, in coordination with frontline health workers and government health officials, ensure that affected individuals receive both medical and non-medical support, including follow-ups and counseling. Quantitative data is captured digitally using a mobile application and shared with government health authorities. The project advocates for integration of these data fields into the state HMIS portal for sustained monitoring and policy planning. Through early detection, integrated services, and continuous support, we aim to protect the lungs of workers and improve their quality of life.